Hi everyone, in this video I will explain to you how to upgrade seats on United flights. So first step is check your upgrade eligibility. Determine your ticket type. Some fare classes may not be eligible for upgrades. Review Mileage Plus status. Elite member may receive complimentary upgrades or eligible flights. Explore upgrade options. Mileage Plus use miles to upgrades, plus points for Premier Platinum and 1K members. Cash upgrades pay directly for an upgrade or waitlist upgrades join the waitlist for potential upgrades and check in. Second step is search for available upgrades. Log into your United Mileage Plus account, navigate to My Trips or search for your flight itinerary. Check if upgrades are available. Step 3 is request an upgrade. Mileage or plus points upgrades, choose upgrade with miles or upgrade with plus points. Follow prompts to confirm the upgrade request. Cash upgrades. Pay the upgrade fee directly if offered. This option may appear during booking, check-in, or as a post-purchase offer. Lastly is confirm or check upgrade status. Monitor your upgrade requests. United will notify you by email or through the app if your upgrade clears. Waitlist upgrades can clear up the time of boarding. If confirmed, review your new seat assignment. Check My Trips in your Mileage Plus account, print your updated boarding pass or save it digitally, and that's basically it.